Hello everyone and welcome to the Photographer's Bulletin. My name is Captain Ojas and I'll be taking you through all the happenings in the world of photography this week. So let's jump in. Olympus is officially back with the first new camera under the OM Digital Solutions ownership, and they are calling it the Olympus Pen EP7. And yet another surprise from Olympus, they have launched the long-awaited new pro lens, the M Zuiko 8-25mm f4 Pro. One of the only 20 ever produced lenses, the Canon EF 1200mm f5.6 is coming up for sale, and this time it is estimated to fetch an upwards of a whopping $180,000. Now it is possible to shoot an astro time-lapse on your new Google Pixel phone after the latest Google Pixel feature drop takes astrophotography to the next level with time-lapse feature. And amidst the global chip crisis, Autel Robotics was forced to make a change to its product and supply chain, a result of which has led to an announcement of the new Evo 2 version 2. So these were all the happenings in the world of photography this week. For more updates, stay tuned, same time next week. Until then, stay safe and click with me.